How to create a money-generating machine with dividend snowball effect. Dividend investing is one of the numerous financial tools available to us in the 21st century that virtually everyone can use to achieve financial independence. Compound interest is often regarded as humanity's greatest innovation, and Albert Einstein even referred to it as the eighth wonder of the world. Today, we're going to talk about how to create a money-generating machine with dividend investing and how it can help you achieve financial independence. Welcome to Joseph Leopard Finance, the channel where you can learn all about personal finance, investing, and wealth building. Do you want to learn how to make your money work for you? Then you're in the right place. I've spent years studying finance and I'm here to share everything I've learned with you. So, if you are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button for more types of videos like these, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss one. Let's get right into the video. But before we dive into that, let's talk about the current financial situation in the United States. Nearly 40% of Americans can barely get by their savings for a month. The fact that nearly half of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck is a terrible figure. There's no such thing as guarantee, as 2020 has taught us. No matter how much planning you do, something completely unforeseen might still go wrong and possibly cost you your job. People spend years developing their enterprises, but because of the lockdown, they were forced to permanently close them. However, not all crises are negative. They cause a commotion and provide everyone the chance to quickly rise to the top. Just from 2019 to 2020, the United States added 2.2 million new millionaires, putting it at the top of the list of nations with most billionaires. Considering the number of people who made a fortune as a result of the crypto boom, this puts the country at the very top of the list. If you are not one of them, don't panic. Possibilities like this arise every 5 to 10 years, and you just need to be prepared for them. In actuality, you don't even need such a chance to achieve financial freedom. Money makes money, and the money that makes money, as even Benjamin Franklin put it. Dividend investing is the best method to take advantage of the extraordinary power of compound interest. And I'll model this for you and show you the easy actions you can take right away to start building a never-ending avalanche of income flow. First, let's define dividend investing. Dividend investing is a strategy that involves buying stocks that pay dividends to their shareholders. Dividends are a portion of companies' profit that are paid out to shareholders. Dividend-paying stocks can be a great way to generate passive income, especially for those who are looking for long-term investments. Now that we've seen power of dividend investing, let's dive deeper into what it actually is and how it works. Let's dive about the dividend snowball effect. This is the process of reinvesting your dividend back into the same stock or a different dividend-paying stock. Over time, the dividends accumulate, and as you reinvest them, you end up with more shares of stock, which in turn generates more dividends. This process continues, and over time, your dividend income grows exponentially. But you might ask, how does this work in practice? Let me give you an example. We'll use Chevron Corporation stock ticker CVX as our example because dividend growth is the real secret to starting a large cash flow snowball. The current yield for Chevron Corporation is 3.55%, and its average dividend growth rate over the past 10 years has been 5.30%. Let's say we travel back to 1997, 25 years ago, and start investing $250 every month in Chevron stock. After 25 years, your total investment balance would be almost $324,000. The dividend income generated in the most recent calendar year would have been $11,184.07. The goal of dividend investing is to generate a steady stream of passive income over time. This is especially useful for retirees or those looking to supplement their income without having to work full-time. One of the main advantages of dividend investing is that it provides a hedge against inflation. As the cost of living increases over time, so do the dividends paid out by the company. This means that the purchasing power of the investor's income remains relatively stable even in times of inflation. Another advantage of dividend investing is that it can help mitigate the effects of market volatility. Since dividend-paying companies tend to be more established and financially stable, they often experience less price volatility than non-dividend-paying companies. When choosing dividend stock to invest in, it's important to look for companies with a history of consistently increasing their dividend over time. This shows that the company is financially stable and committed to returning value to its shareholders. It's also important to look at the dividend yield, which is the annual dividend payment divided by the stock price. A higher dividend yield may seem attractive, But it's important to also consider the company's financial health and growth potential to ensure the yield is sustainable. In addition to individual dividend stocks, there are also dividend-focused exchange-traded funds or ETFs that provide diversification across multiple companies and industries. These ETFs can provide lower risk option for those new to dividend investing or those looking for a more hands-off approach. But before we move on, please comment below if you can relate to the video and if you think this video is helpful and interesting. Please consider liking the video and share it to your loved ones and friends. Back to the video. Now let's take a look at the power of reinvesting dividends. Over the same 30-year period, if you had reinvested your dividends, your portfolio value would have grown to $933,974.73, and your annual income would be $33,091.99. The power of compound interest is incredible, and dividend investing is one of the easiest ways to take advantage of it. It allows you to earn passive income that can grow over time, even while you're asleep. Now, you may be wondering how to get started with dividend investing. Well, the first step is to open a brokerage account with a reputable firm, such as Charles Schwab, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Once you have your account set up, you can begin researching and investing in dividend-paying stocks. When it comes to selecting dividend stocks, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, look for companies with a long history of paying dividends. These companies are more likely to continue paying dividends in the future. Second, look for companies with a healthy balance sheet and a stable financial position. These companies are less likely to cut their dividends in the event of economic downturn. Finally, look for companies with a reasonable payout ratio. The payout ratio is the percentage of earning that a company pays out as dividends. A payout ratio that is too high may indicate that company is paying out more dividends than it can afford. Once you have selected your dividend stock, you can begin reinvesting your dividends to take advantage of compound interest. Most brokerage firms offer Dividend Reinvesting Program or DRIP that automatically reinvest your dividends back into the stock. In conclusion, achieving financial independence is possible with dividend investing. It allows you to earn a passive income that can grow over time, even while asleep. The power of compound interest is incredible, and dividend investing is one of the easiest ways to take advantage of it. So, if you're looking to secure your financial future, consider adding dividend investing to your portfolio. Thank you for watching Joseph Leopard Finance, your go-to channel for all things finance, investing, and wealth building. I hope you found value in today's video and that it inspires you to take action toward your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like these. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Join our community by leaving a comment below and let us know what financial topics you'd like us to cover next. Remember, financial freedom is possible for anyone, and we're here to help you make it happen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.